Hello and welcome to day 8, True Nature, our practice together. So as we have been practicing, our breath or your breath is your main anchor. But what we'll begin to do this week is explore and widen our experience of awareness within the body. So we can often become disconnected with our body sensations, which can lead to and result in constraints and problems within the body. We can tense up without even realizing it. We often feel this in our shoulders, or maybe if you've been in a stressful situation, you're clenching parts of your body without actually realizing you're doing so. So your body is reacting to experiences all of the time without us being fully aware of it. So the more aware we are, the more we can actually control our body sensations and not have them control us, or worse again, not even to be aware, and for us to avoid these sensations altogether until they become so uncomfortable, or in some cases so painful, that we can't avoid them. Our bodies live here and now in the present moment. They're like sponges. So by learning how to become more aware of our body sensations, we can begin to lead a more embodied life, beginning to come into a real relationship with the whole of ourselves. So let's begin this practice by settling in. So if you sit or lie, as always, and just make sure you're comfortable but alert and aware. And if you're sitting in a seat, that both feet are flat on the ground. So just come into your stillness. Take a few deep breaths. Let out a sigh if you want. Allow your body to settle. And know that, once again, you're giving yourself this time just to pause. Just breathe as normal. Assume your own pattern of breathing. Let the breath breathe itself. Without any judgment, just notice yourself as you are right here, right now, in this moment. Your body on the floor or on the chair. And you becoming present, becoming aware. You're moving into your awareness. So what I'd like you to do is just hold your two hands in your lap. Just hold the two hands together. And bring your awareness to the tingling sensations that you feel. The tingling sensations that you feel between the palms of your hands, between your two hands, and also around them. So just hold your hands loosely in a nice comforting hold. Don't grasp onto them tightly. Just nice and relaxed hold. And with awareness, just sense how it feels. A tingling of aliveness. And that there is a space, nearly that it feels like there's a space growing between your hands, even though they're holding on to each other. And feel that space and that tingling around the hands, all around the hands. Now feel this energy rising up your arms and into your shoulders. This tingling, aliveness, this energy, and begin to feel it from the inside out and all around. This tingling aliveness. And sense it in your chest, moving, kind of melting down into your chest, your torso, your heart space, this tingling aliveness, slowly seeping into your pelvis, your thighs, down your legs, behind your knees, feel it around your ankles, your feet, a tingling aliveness from the inside out, all around. This energy doesn't know any boundaries, it's just there. You feel it pouring into your body, rising up, back up, your legs, your pelvis, up your spine, to your neck, back across your shoulders and back up your neck, to your head, to your face. This tingling, energetic, alive presence. Just rest in this presence. Your body like a cup full right now of awareness. Just experience the energetic sensations that you're feeling right now. This field of aliveness. Now you can bring your attention back to the rhythm of your breath and feel your breath from the inside out. and enjoy it in this body full of awareness, your primary anchor. You may also really feel deeply the sensations in your hands. And if you feel this more so than your breath, you can use this as your anchor. Whichever sensation is more prominent to you or for you, or maybe both together. These are your anchors that bring you into awareness. Okay, and slowly and gently open your eyes, a soft gaze. Maybe just glance at your body. And just as you go about your day, and as you sit here now, glancing at your body, just be aware that what it looks like isn't how you directly experience your body. How you experience your body is through its energetic sensations, its field of aliveness from the inside out, which actually doesn't know any boundaries. So just keep this thought with you for today. And know that your body, as it moves around in space today, is a body that is full of awareness. Thank you. We will be with you tomorrow.